This is braiding hair, no jokes, no caps. It's braiding hair. I love this hair. I love the bounce, like it's so bouncy.
When feelings get involved, I'm terrified.
So here I'm listing out the materials I used in making these hair. I cut the braiding hair in half, and then I took one part and cut it in half again, and this was the only one I used.
'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh,
I cut out this T shape from the Swiss lace, although this is not the actual Swiss lace, but this is all I could find. And the measurement for cutting out this lace is on the screen.
How can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I give it one more try.
The center using a chalk. Please make sure this line is really straight. Mine wasn't. And I'm going to crochet on both sides of the line. I have a video on my channel that shows in detail how I use this crochet pin to ventilate, so I'll put that video in the description box.
Reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? You can see straight through my light. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide.
For the back, I'll be crocheting the hair on the lines I drew, leaving space at least 1 finger width apart. If you've watched up to this point, I'm guessing you're enjoying this video, so please like this video and share it. And please leave a comment. It just encourages me to keep doing this.
The one when I try to look, I wish I'd find. Oh,
when I get close to the top, I'll be reducing the quantity of hair I use, and also I'll be placing them closely together so that there will be no gaps. Here I'm using a white tooth comb to detangle the hair. This part was really important because it will just take out all the knots and tangles and make the hair really smooth to pass your fingers through. To cut the hair, I used the base of the mannequin as a reference. Here it is after cutting. It still looked longer than I wanted, but I wanted to straighten it first to see the actual length before going to cut again. So I'm using my straightener in the lowest setting, which is 140 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to be straightening it. To straighten, I take out a small piece of hair and I comb through, then I go in with my straightener a few times. After that, I comb through again to make sure it's all smooth, and you can see the difference between the one I straighten and the one that is not.
Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
I put on the wig just to get a feel of it, and I loved it, but I wanted it a tad bit shorter, so I went in to cut it again. This is me after cutting it. I love this hair so much. However, I decided to bump the ends a little bit just to see how it will look, and I'll show you how I did that.
You can see straight through my life.
Guys, so this is it. I think it's okay, although I wanted it a little bit shorter, like here, like a 6-inch bob, but I'll leave it like this for now. I can also see that this part is thicker than this part, so I think I'm going to increase the heat a little bit on my iron and flat iron it.
After bumping the ends, it looked like this. So beautiful, so soft, so lush. This hair, guys, is amazing. I put foundation on the lace part of the wig so that it can blend seamlessly. I'm spraying a holding spray on the hairline.
I love this hair. I love the bounce, like it's so bouncy. I love the color. This is braiding hair, no jokes, like no caps. It's braiding hair. To bump it, I used a higher temperature. I would say around 170 degrees Celsius, but I was putting it off and on just to be careful that it doesn't burn the hair. But it's so beautiful. I'm thinking, should I wear it as a middle part as I'm wearing it, or should I take it to the side? I want to take it to the side and see, although I feel like because it's short, it's going to look weird. So if I take it to the side now, it'll be shorter this way, but I want to see how it looks.
It actually looks amazing, like, I don't know, classy. I honestly love it. However, I love it as a middle part more. But tell me, what do you think? Do you prefer it as a side part or a middle part?
If you've loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. You never know who you might be helping. It would just encourage me to keep making more of these videos. I absolutely love this hair, although it took a lot of time, especially like the styling took way more time than I thought, but it came out so good.
And until next time, my loves, bye.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh,